Let's call upon Harsha Ramaya, Director Small Wonders and ECA Core Committee member for some play and game-based learning. She is committed to making us move. Thank you. Thank you.
वंडरफुल सेशन। आपके सेशन के बाद थोड़ा मेरे को माहौल लाइट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज बहुत सारा आपने बोला जो हमको अभी डाइजेस्ट करना है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी जो फूड इज इनसाइड, अभी आपका नॉलेज। सो आई एम नॉट टेकिंग अ सेशन, इट्स जस्ट एक्टिविटीज दैट वी आर डूइंग। तो कितने लोग थक चुके हैं बैठ के? Very good. We have this DJ Babu here. So we are playing a game. Then we'll do 2-3 activities, and then we'll move on to the next session. Everybody ready? Yes. ठीक है. Okay. So I'm going to give you 5 numbers and 5 actions. You can sit and do. You can stand and do. I will prefer अगर आप stand करके करोगे because this photographer looks onto people who are very active. So if you want the footages, you can be most active because he told me, in the break, कि मैम आप बैठे रहते हो तो आपका footage आ नहीं रहा था. So if you want to be in the limelight, please get up and what Rekha ma'am said, थोड़ा सा हिलो डुलो. All right. So 5 actions I'm giving. When I say number 1, you have to just keep snapping your fingers. When I say number 2, you have to clap and match up to the beats. When I say number 3, you have to fly like a bird. When I say number 4, you have to do quack quack. And when I say number 5, you have to twist. ठीक है? लेकिन twist में इतना होना चाहिए twist that you have an inch loss today. Okay? So that is a promise that you're going to give me because I already had an inch loss. Okay, repeat. All right. So number 1 is snapping your fingers. Number 2 is clapping. Number 3 is flying like a bird. Number 4 is quack quack with the sound. Number 5 is twist. Okay, with the the kind of planning that you did. I'm a fan. So I'm that kind of a teacher जो क्लास में घुसने के बाद डिसाइड करती कि क्या करना है. होते ना कोई टीचर्स ऐसे. I'm a passionate teacher ना. मैं चॉइस से नहीं हूँ. अभी चॉइस से हूँ, बाई चांस नहीं हूँ. So I am a person कि जिनको मिनिमम रिसोर्सेज के साथ एक्टिविटीज करना अच्छा लगता है. Because I'm not good at craft, I cannot manage how Shilpa did. Shilpa really I love. कितना minute management किया. एक a round of applause for her. Because the kind of management requires to make this is phenomenal. So आज हम थोड़ी सी ऐसी activities करेंगे जो क्लास में if you don't have anything to do, those 10 minutes आप killing and children are not listening to you, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? Okay? So one of my favorite activities that I do in my classes, Damshera सुना है ना? Yes. So we do story charades, and these all activities are available on Google free of cost. ठीक है? मैंने वहीं से लिया है, पर थोड़ा modification करके I've implemented in the class और बहुत success मिला है. Okay? So I'm going to do an activity here. I'm going to act and you'll have to tell me कौन सी story है. Okay? So I'll do the complete story. You can, and this goes with literacy and numeracy also. जो आज सुबह से हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना. So literacy and numeracy for me is not taking out books and making children learn rote learning. For me, every activity that you do in the class is literacy numeracy. आप किसी भी activity को ले लो. आप उसके अंदर numeracy भी ढूंढ सकते हो, literacy भी ढूंढ सकते हो. Okay, so this is a very simple story that I'm going to mime here, and everybody is free to tell sentences, words, जो भी आपके दिमाग में आते हैं. अजीला क्या बोलना है? जितना मैं कर रही हूँ उतना ही बोलो. मंकी बोला, दिमाग मत चलाओ, इसमें कुछ और भी आएगा. All right?
Bag. Sweating.
Cool breeze.
Dog.
Now monkey is not there in this story. So my stories always keep changing because my memory is like Gajni. So I forget that the monkeys are there in this story. You know? So this also is a learning because when we teach children some stories, उसका एक starting होता है, एक mid होता है, एक end होता है. It is designed. Thirsty crow हमेशा जग के अंदर पेबल्स डाल के ही पानी पीता है. We've never thought कि वो जग खाली भी हो सकता है. पेबल्स मिलते भी नहीं होंगे. And I'm literally मैं जब सोचती हूँ ना, I'm always wondering कि वो beak में how could he hold those pebbles and put inside? And I've tried myself. मेरा पानी कभी ऊपर नहीं आया. कभी ऊपर नहीं आया. Okay? So let's do it.
मेरा पानी हमेशा गंदा होता है.
भाई sentences तो बोलो.
The bag is not. The cat is crying.
Done. Okay, मैं इतना ही करूँगी. इससे आगे आप अपनी क्लास में कर सकते हो. This is one activity which children will love doing it. And do not do ditto stories. You know, add your own तड़का in it. That will help and that will keep the children, you know, inquisitive. अब क्या होगा? They will always wait for the next moment. But if you start with like the crow is coming and he's thirsty, so it will be like very monotonous. So try adding in new characters and this works wonders. Can I have that slide which I have? Okay, the second game that we play in my class, I'm sure everybody must be playing, that is A to Z story. Okay, so here what we do is, depending on the age of the class, for example, if they are nursery, then we show them picture cards. If they are junior KG, then we give them words, and if they are senior KG, of course, sentences. Okay, so here on all the tables, randomly I'll put a word. Either you can tell me a sentence, you can make a sentence out of that word, or you can tell me a word. Okay, I'm giving a letter to each table. So this Rita ma'am's table, I'm giving C. Story बनाओ, आप उसमें से कुछ भी कर सकते हो. जल्दी, हाँ, I don't have so much time. See, word, word, sentence, story, कुछ भी. See, इतना हार्ड बच्चे कर लेते हैं आपकी क्लास में? इंटरनेशनल स्कूल? वेरी गुड. चलो, M. Keep it very simple. Correct. Okay, 5 little monkeys. E. Suman, Ellie the elephant. Okay. So everyone is going by what this table did. Okay. तो एक ने sentence बोला, सबने sentence ही बोला. Herd mentality. No innovation. We all are teachers, right? So, okay. We are coming there. Okay. So we are teachers here. So every activity that we design and we take in the class has to be changed every time. Otherwise, children are very smart. If you give them the same pav bhaji every day, they are like, yes, ये तो कल वाला है.
We are multilingual.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, एक मोटा हाथी.
एक मोटा हाथी. Very good. So, to this table I'm giving R. Rabbit. Only word. कुछ action भी कर सकते हो उसके साथ. कोई action poem भी बोल सकते हो. Row your boat gently down. Wonderful. That table. S. Sound. Very good. Very good. Now वो पीछे वाला टेबल जो है, U. Up umbrella. Okay. So when you are in the class A to Z, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. You can either give them words or show the letters. आपने print करके रखे हुए. You can just show the letters to each table and ask the children. This can be an engaging activity. Though little prompt will be required as per the age of the child, but this is a fantastic activity that can go in the classroom. हो गया मेरा PPT हुआ?
Magic it's in PDF format.
No, I don't want to do that. For example, you can have a paper sheet like this, get it printed, and these activities are such activities that they can be 5-6 children in on one table, and this can be a group activity. You can have a sheet like this, You just need a crayon. I will pass it on this table. Suman, you can take it. This is the numeracy activity along with the literacy activity also, okay? So now we have a dais and I roll down the dais, the number comes 4. You have to pick up any color and color 4 boxes, okay? So the level of difficulty can be increased. You can have 2 daises together, you can have 3, 4, depends on what numbers you have covered so far. Now if you want to include literacy in this, while the numbers, you can start saying the spellings of the numbers. Okay, ONE1, TWO2, whatever. So this is very simple. उसमें कुछ चीज़ नहीं लगती है. और ये number 5 आया, just take out a color and color 5 boxes. That's it. Next is a fantastic activity that is housey. सबने खेला होगा, right? Everybody has played housey, and I'm sure कि ladies को हम जैसे kitty party में जाते हैं तो housey is number 1. So there is a bingo with numbers which my children really love. Bingo with numbers. So what we do is we generally print the paper with 6 or 9 boxes. Okay? We ask them to write the numbers between 1 to 9. Okay? I had that on the slide. अगर चलेगा तो मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसा होता है. So we give them the paper which is ready, the boxes are printed and they have to write the numbers from 1 to 9. Now this is a math activity. Aya? Next. Next. जल्दी अरे मेरे को टाइम कार्ड दिखाएगी अभी जल्दी
1 मिनट की है
ए ऐसा मत करो Next. Okay. So this is what I have prepared, okay? तो हमने बच्चों को दिया, I have told them, and ये थोड़ा upper layer difficulty के साथ है, so this is having more numbers. But if you have younger children, it could be from 1 to 9. You can ask 1 to 20, whatever. Now you can make some cards like these, which I have made, which has before numbers, between numbers, addition, everything in it. Okay? So when I take out this card and I say, what comes after number 5? The child has to strike out what number comes after 5. Okay? So this is after number. I have taken before number also. What number comes before 10? So this is a fun activity and you are also doing the revision of the numbers that you've done in the class. Instead of just repeating the numbers 1, 2, 3, 50 times, this could be an activity. Then what comes between 7 and 9? Okay? Then I've also had an addition thing. 2 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, whatever. And the children have to just strike out the numbers. Alright, this is a very, very simple activity with minimal resources. One more activity that I do in my classes. Can we have the previous slide? Lucky. Previous. इससे पहले वाला. Okay. So story remake. हाँ सुमन 5 मिनट मेरे से ज़्यादा है ही नहीं. So story remake is one of my favorite activities wherein I really like children to keep innovating things and keep thinking about new things. So in my class, if I have to say a story of say Thirsty Crow, it has multiple endings. Okay? It's never the same which I read in the book. And believe me, once you open your class to end number of possibilities, children will have lots of thoughts to give you when you go back home. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते इतने ideas, इतने instances उनके पास होते हैं. So what we do is we generally put a picture like this in our class. We do picture talks, picture conversation and all that. This is story remake. Okay? These are all the familiar characters. When you see the lion and the mouse, एक typical story आएगा that the lion was caught and the mouse bit the net and the lion was freed and they both were friends again. ये एक ही story है. But when you put other characters into it, when in the Thirsty Crow story, the lion is also coming, the mouse is also coming, there is a pod, there is a sun. You are teaching children to create something which is new. When Rita ma'am talked about 21st century children, these kind of platforms should be provided to children so that their thinking caps or thinking capacity can be pushed. So try these activities. For me, if you ask my children, always if you tell them Thirsty Crow ki story bolo, they will always give you with a new end. in their story, it's not only the crow, the pot, the sun, there are multiple things coming in. Kabhi kabhi mummy bhi aa jati hai. You know, one child, very nice, I think 6-year-old child, usko humne jab bola, mere ko story bahut distinctly yaad hai. He said that in Hindi he shared the story, Hindi English mix. He said ki the crow was very thirsty, wo idhar udhar uड़ raha tha, then he sat on a window pane, mummy baar aayi and the crow flew away. See the logic that the child has applied. Okay, birds will fly away when you go. So see that connection that the child has made. Simple. Then the crow was searching for water. मेरी मम्मी को लगा इसको पानी पीना है. Then my mom went inside and brought a pot and she put it outside and the crow drank the water and flew away happily. Can this thought be given in our classrooms? So I request everybody, don't limit the children by what we have learned. If you give them half the things, I'm sure they will cover the rest. So enjoy and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Harsha. That was refreshing and got everybody active. I would now, if you could stay back on stage, please. Lucky, you are called Mr. Lucky Surana, who is also National Core Committee member of APA, ECA and APA. If you could come and felicitate Harsha, ma'am, please.